Have you ever wondered how affiliate marketing works? How it turns clicks into cash, all while providing valuable products and services to eager customers? You're about to unravel the mysteries of this lucrative business model. In the bustling world of e-commerce, affiliate marketing shines as a mutually beneficial strategy, a bridge connecting sellers, marketers, and consumers. Let's break down this process into digestible steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. It's crucial to pick a niche that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. This will give you an edge when promoting products and engaging with potential customers. Step 2. Find affiliate programs to join. Numerous programs offer a wide range of products and services. Your task is to choose one that aligns with your niche and offers a competitive commission rate. Step 3. Create high-quality content. Whether it's a blog post, a YouTube video, or an Instagram story, your content should be engaging and informative. It should offer value to your audience, encouraging them to click on your affiliate links. Step 4. Promote your affiliate products. This is where your marketing skills come into play. You need to strategically place your affiliate links within your content, ensuring they're visible but not intrusive. Step 5. Track your success. Most affiliate programs offer tools to track your success. Monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings to understand what's working and what needs improvement. These steps provide a basic blueprint for your affiliate marketing journey. However, remember that success won't come overnight. It requires time, effort, and consistency. To recap, you need to choose a niche, find suitable affiliate programs, create engaging content, promote your affiliate products, and track your success. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative venture if approached with diligence and patience. Remember, the aim is to create a win-win situation for everyone involved. The seller gets more sales, the affiliate earns a commission, and the customer finds a product that meets their needs. So, delve into this world of opportunities, and who knows, the next successful affiliate marketer could be you.